Oh, I thought I would show you how things are going with our community garden. Well, really a community vegetable garden. It's not quite an allotment. Anyway, let's have a quick squeeze through. There's our onions, that they're overwintering onions. I think they're Japanese type. Shantu, are they? Something like that. And again there. Oh no, these went in the spring. So as you can see, they're all coming on nicely. Then each of these beds, this is the 8 to 10 year olds. They've got some carrots growing. Look, they're broad beans and beetroot. Looks like the slugs have got in on the broad beans, so the sand and the grit that's around them obviously hasn't put the slugs and snails off there. But of course we don't want to use slug pellets. Then here's another bed here that's got tomatoes, beans. Once again, slugs again have got to them. But then it's a lesson, isn't it? The kiddies learn the lesson that you've got to earn what you've got. I think they've got carrots there. They've kind of got scattered all over the place, but they're coming up. So, and then the slugs have eaten the lettuce. Got a tray of lettuce. Then this is this is the older kiddies. They've got a couple of cucumbers there, look like they're surviving, and beetroot. And I think they sowed something through the middle, but I can't see anything growing. We've had some superb hot and dry weather, and the children are only here one day a week, and then the adults come along and other evenings and water. But the peas, they've got peas on, look. So Tuesday, when they'll all be back, they'll be able to pick them and eat them. And the strawberries are looking good. Then here's a nicely organised bed. This white netting around is the way to do it. You see the carrots, look, are doing good. I can see there's a few been eaten off there. Well, we just got to hope that we might put some sand around those. Then they've got those tomato plants and some sunflowers, and they look like they've survived. Looks like the slugs crawled up there though. This one here, 3 neat rows of carrots, look, doing good. And I'm not sure if that's all they got. Well, they got a potato here and some sweet corn. Then, here's a really healthy looking one here. That's a whole mixture. It looks like we've got there's a cucumber there, along with the tomatoes. They got everything in this one. They got beetroot, carrots, sweet corn, runner beans, and runner beans are looking very successful. Very good indeed. The children were given the plants. I'll give them a little talk about space and things and what to put in, and I've left it to them so they will see the fruit of their labour. And once again, this one here looks neat. The beetroot are looking healthy. The leeks are growing. There's a couple of cucumbers there, and some broad beans. Then potatoes, they've each got a bag of their own with potatoes in, and as you can see, they are looking extremely healthy. So generally speaking, everything is looking good. There's a bit of casualty here and there with the slugs, but apart from that, it's not looking too bad at all. So we'll go right out to the end, and we've got our water supply. Of course, we've got a big bin attached to the drain pipe to give us plenty of water for watering, and there it is. So I'm thinking we've got 2 beds that probably need netting around, but we're improving as we're going along. So there it is. Hope it's given you some ideas. Yes, as I say, it's a community garden, so the children doing this, they range from 5 to 14, and you can obviously tell that these end couple are the 14-year-olds. So there we go. That's it. Happy gardening, eh?